Have you ever wondered what drives us? What motivates us? The things that inspire us to do more and excel more? We at LPU Batangas are driven by passion, dedication, challenges, and opportunities. Every day, we take new steps to a continuous journey to improve and grow, raising the bar of quality and excellence in education beyond borders. Welcome to Lyceum of the Philippines, University Batangas.
Hi, good day everyone. I am Teacher Edge. Welcome to the Global English Competitiveness Program. This is a project of the Commission on Higher Education in partnership with these outstanding and prestigious universities and learning institutions here in the Philippines. To start off, let me introduce our virtual friend and learning assistant, Liam.
Hi, Teacher Edge. For this module, we are going to learn future tenses with the topic theories and hypotheses. Before the end of this lesson, you will learn how to first, use the future tense with present tense verbs. Second, point out and make statements of hypotheses and theories with reference to futuristic events or sources. In this lesson, let us talk about future tense verbs that are in the other forms. In this slide, future tenses as suggested by verbs in present tense form. For this example, I am going to meet my friend later after dinner. When the phrase going to is used, the action implies general plans, arrangements for a certain future. This also implies predictions based on evidence, with more intent, resolution, and firm decision. Next, future tense actions but in present continuous or progressive form. The present continuous or progressive form is the verb plus ing. An action in this tense implies future event when used on appointments, certain events, or with verbs of movements to avoid repetition. In the slide are some examples to look. In the sentence, I am meeting my doctor tomorrow at 1 p.m. The sentence implying future event has its action word in progressive form with meet ing. Another future tense form is by using modal verbs. Modal verbs are verbs that express possibility, necessity, or permission. Below are examples. I can go to the school. The modal can expresses possibility, therefore conditional. Whether it happens or not, it is up to the future. Let us test your knowledge. Let us talk about hypotheses and theories by testing our knowledge in the future tense forms. Choose the correct answer among the choices below each itemized question or statement. For this activity, watch the video in the link that is a TED Talk entitled Social Media is Making Us Unsocial by Kristen Gallucci. Then answer the following questions as briefly as you can after watching. As part of this generation who is introduced and oriented in social media, how would you perceive the talk? How theoretically based is the speech in the video? By settling in between affirmative and negative, how would you stand from this case? Here are some top tips when trying to create your hypothesis. 1. Start with a research question. What do you want to know? What are you trying to find out? 2. Do some background research. What is already known about the topic? What are the different theories or hypotheses that have been proposed? 3. Form a clear and concise hypothesis. Your hypothesis should be specific and testable. It should state the relationship between two or more variables. 4. Use clear and unambiguous language. Avoid jargon and technical terms that your audience may not understand. 5. Be realistic. Your hypothesis should be something that can be tested with the available resources. 6. Be open to the possibility that your hypothesis is wrong. The purpose of a hypothesis is to test a prediction, not to prove it. 7. Be willing to modify your hypothesis as new evidence is gathered. The scientific method is a process of discovery, and your hypothesis may need to be revised as you learn more about the topic. 8. Be creative. Don't be afraid to come up with new and innovative hypotheses. 9. Be skeptical. Don't just accept your hypothesis at face value. Be willing to test it and see if it is supported by the evidence. Have fun. Formulating hypotheses can be a challenging but rewarding process. Enjoy the challenge and the opportunity to learn something new. To wrap up this lesson, let us end this by expanding your vocabulary. Match the words from column A to their appropriate definition. These terms are quite the interchange terminologies that many are mistaken. For example, numbers 1 and 2 are interchangeably used in science and research BU are actually different. Answer wisely. And it's time to pack up. It is a wrap. That is all for lesson 2 of module 12. There you have it, Teacher Edge. Back to you.
Thank you, Liam. You are such a big help. For your writing and speaking output, rubrics adapted from the Cambridge Language Test Scale are also provided, or you can have your work checked by ChatGPT. To wrap up lesson 2 of module number 12, hypothesizing is an intelligent guess. It should be backed up by research that stems from a question. It is the stem of curiosity that is rooted from our humility, from the unknown. So, happy hypothesizing, and it's a great world for more theories. I hope you had fun learning. Until next time, I am Teacher Edge. Learn differently, live differently.